Air fryer filet mignon is so freaking delicious. I love to cook my air fried filet mignon to medium rare, but you could cook it to any temperature that you'd like. Today at sipbitego, I'm going to take you in the kitchen. So join me, Jenna from sipbitego, and let's go ahead and make some air fry filet mignon. It's such a delicious and easy recipe. Now you have a couple options when it comes to this. I'm going to show you how to make a super simple air fryer filet mignon spice rub. You could use it on any meat. It's just a couple of spices here mixed together, and then you season the filet mignon with it. Now, if you don't want to make this spice rub, you can just use some salt on the filet and it'll taste well, it won't taste exactly the same, but it'll taste really good. So then to air fry it, I like to spray the air fryer basket for filet mignon because I don't want it to stick at all. I know it's non-stick, but still I spray it. So then the air fry filet goes right into the air fryer machine at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Then you take it out, you flip the filet mignon to the other side. Look how beautiful these are. They look so good, don't they? Then you flip them over and you cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now here is a little temperature chart you can take a screenshot of. I cooked these for 5 minutes and that got them to a perfect medium rare to medium. They were 130 degrees Fahrenheit when I took them out. So isn't that amazing? Now I'm going to show you a little compound butter you can make for air fryer steaks. Here we go. This is seriously a 5-minute recipe. So what you need is a stick of butter that's softened, some parsley, rosemary, garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest, salt, and black pepper. And you add all the ingredients to a bowl and use a fork or potato masher or spatula to smooth them together. Smush them around, or you could always use a food processor to pulse ingredients until loosely combined. And then you can actually use it immediately, or you can store it for later. To form a log shape or to refrigerate or freeze for later, you set out a piece of plastic wrap about the size of a sheet of paper on a flat surface, and you spoon the herb and garlic butter into the center to shape a log. Now here we just used our hands and that was perfectly fine, and some I used fresh just on these beautiful filet mignon steaks. Alright home chefs, well without further ado, let's go ahead and see what it looked like when I cut into this delicious air fryer filet mignon steak. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. Like I said, this is cooked to a perfect medium or medium. It's almost medium rare, but it's more of a medium. Here's another steak recipe you'll love. You have to check out this recipe for grilled skirt steak. It comes with a really delicious marinade, and I'm going to show you how to make it. You can finish it in the oven broiler or in a cast iron skillet, but I'm going to give you a step-by-step demonstration on how to finish it on the grill. So join me at sipbitego.com or check out the sipbitego YouTube channel to get this full video and recipe. For more delicious recipes, including tons of things that you can grill and delicious meats, make sure to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube and check out sipbitego.com. I have so many delicious recipes heading your way. Alright, well you should have all the kitchen confidence you need to make this delicious air fryer filet mignon recipe. And don't forget to head over to sipbitego.com to print out the step-by-step directions. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!